Chef del día de hoy, Sebi. Y aquí haciendo la
Focaccia.
focaccia, que nos vamos a comer ahora, deliciosa. Aquí tienen el aceite en las manos. Miren esto. ¿Qué le parece?
Perfetto.
¿Tutto bene?
Bellissimo.
Okay, I can watch it. Bravissimo. Il chef Lola echándonos un poquito de aceite de oliva. I like it. Hi David.
Hello.
Now, like this. Like this, like this, like this. Once in a while, get it like this.
Oh, sole mio.
Okay, a certain point, depending on flour or a little bit.
Oh yeah, look at my egg.
Okay, look, you can help. Bravissimo. Wow, bravissimo. Because now we have press. Are you coming to crank the machine? Come on. Oh, don't worry, that's the egg.
Prepared by all of us.